Can this classic toy really help you keep your Tupperware lids organized? Stick around, I'm going to put this organizing hack to the test. And welcome to another episode of my FAB or FLOP series, where I scour the internet looking for organizing hacks, cleaning hacks, and time-saving hacks, and I put them to the test to see if they are truly a fabulous idea or a flop of an idea. Now, not too long ago, I came across a video on my Facebook feed, and I believe it was from Blossom's Facebook page. They had a video where they showed how just a simple slinky and a turntable can help you keep your Tupperware lids organized. So I just had to put that to the test because let's face it, Tupperware lids are one of the biggest pains to keep organized. Now in the video, they simply took the slinky and made it into a circle like this. Then they glued it to a Lazy Susie or a turntable. Then they simply slid the lids into the slinky like this. So why don't we give it a try and see if it really works as well as it seemed to in their video. Now in the video from Blossom, they took the slinky like I said and they curled it around like so. And they show in the video that while they're holding these two pieces together, they took their glue gun and they simply took like big dots of glue all the way around the bottom of the slinky. Now I'm not as skilled to hold it with one hand and glue it with another, so I'm actually going to use a little bit of this kind of thin wire, and I'm going to wire this together so that I can use two hands to glue it. Okay, it's pretty sturdy. It's not moving anywhere. Now let's try putting some lids in there. Okay, there you have it, the slinky organizing the lids. I've got about 19 or 20 lids in this. To be fair, the Blossom video, they did use a wooden turntable, and I don't know what the diameter of that was, so I don't know if there was more room for the Tupperware lids. I don't seem to be able to fit as many as they show in the video, but again, that could be because they were using a larger turntable. The bigger lids do seem to be a bit wobbly. You can kind of see they kind of wiggle back and forth. The slinky doesn't really hold them in, but I gotta tell you, for these smaller lids, oh my gosh, that's kind of cool. I really do kind of like that. And even this medium lid here, I mean, it's holding pretty strong. It's just these really tall ones. Now in the video, they did set all of the lids vertically, so that's what I did with this one. For this organizing hack, I gotta tell you, I give it a thumbs up for smaller Tupperware lids, and maybe a thumbs down on the bigger ones. But again, that could be because I'm using a different turntable. If I were to invest in a wooden turntable, I wouldn't be putting hot glue on it, okay? So that's why I went ahead and I got this turntable. It's a 12-inch turntable from Walmart, and it was about $6 or $8. Add that to the $3 for the slinky. For under $10, you have a Tupperware lid organizer. Okay, so as far as organizing hacks go, this is really not too bad. The total cost is under $10, so it's very economical. It took me maybe 2 minutes to put together. For the most part, it does work. Again, larger lids, I think because the slinky winds around so tightly, it has a hard time keeping the lids from wobbling, but they're not coming out. So let me know what you think. Would you find this organizing hack helpful in your kitchen? One of the things I think also to consider is where you're going to place this. Is it high enough? Do you have enough width or depth in your cabinet that this can spin freely? Those are just some questions you need to ask yourself before investing in this type of hack. But overall, it's a thumbs up for me, and to be quite honest, I'm actually surprised. I was really expecting this not to work. So thank you, Blossom, for sharing this organizing hack. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please let me know by giving me a big old thumbs up, poke that like button below, and for anyone who has just stopped by for their first time, welcome. Please click on that subscribe button and ring the bell so you know every time I'm uploading more FAB or FLOP videos like this. I'm Pam with Organizer AZ 911. Thanks for watching. this video, why don't you check out one of these over here? And don't forget, the links to my socials are found below.